need to know.
Oh,
Well, you can keep trying. You can keep trying. And if you can complete it, if you can just upload it. Don't worry about it. You don't need that much of effort. It's just recording enough.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, yeah. So, does that mean that now you are going to schedule the meeting for tonight, and then you will send us the link?
You just try on. I won't shut down. I will
No.
keep it open. Okay. I will just switch off my video. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, for the presentation, you said we can try tonight for the presentation. Are you going
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
Are you going to schedule
Yeah.
the meeting?
Yeah. Let me do that. Let me
Yeah,
do that.
that would be
And
alright.
I'll post it.
Okay, that would be that would be good.
So what about it right now? Is it okay now?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it
okay
okay now?
now. It's great. Thanks so much. I even managed to capture you in in the video, so that's good.
Okay. Let me switch off my video, and I'll be standing by. Okay.
Okay, wonderful. You can, in fact, you can just switch off the whole. You can leave the meeting. It's okay.
Yeah. Sure. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks so much, and see you in the evening.
All right. Right.
Okay.
Sure. Sure.
All right. Bye. Thanks so much for coming in.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome. Bye bye.
Bye. Right. So that was just yeah, trying to schedule the meeting for uh today. And I hope things work out. Sometimes the time difference and the connection, it just kind of like a disruption. But yeah, we have to keep things going. Yeah.